Hello, welcome back again to my channel, and in this video I'm showing you recipe on how to cook banga soup without adding spices to it. Okay, you know, a lot of persons, they are scared of using the spices because they don't know what was added to it. They don't know the additional spices that was added to it to pop up the quantity and all of that. Okay, so in this video I'm teaching you a healthy and natural recipe that you can use to prepare your banga soup, and it will come out very delicious. Okay, so all you have to do, just make sure to watch this video to the end. Give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, give me a comment, and also share this video to somebody that really needs this video. Okay, so in this video I've already pounded my palm fruit, and when you are pounding your palm fruit, what you have to do is make sure you do not mix it with too much water. Okay, make sure you mix it, make sure it's very thick. Okay, so that it will very quick for you to cook. Okay, it will not waste time when cooking. All right, and make sure your palm fruit is very cooked, so that when you are pounding it will be very easy for you to extract your palm fruit. Okay, so in this video I've already added my seasoning, I've already added my beef, and I'm adding grinded pepper to it. Okay, which is cayenne pepper. Okay, all you have to do is just to stir and make sure your taste is what is okay according to what you want. All right, so in this video I'm adding my lime leaf. Okay, this is lime leaf, not lemon, but lime leaf. All you have to do when you want to prepare your banga soup, you see that fresh part, that freshly part of the plant of the lime leaf, that one that is just growing out, that fresh one that is very soft. Okay, that's what you will be needing for this recipe. All right, make sure you get it and make sure you wash it very well. If you don't want to drop it like this, like I just did, you can also you can squeeze it. Okay, you can squeeze it a little and drop it inside the pot. That's what you can also do. Right, so what I'm adding now, I'm adding my catfish to this soup. Okay, what you must know before adding your catfish into the soup, don't just add it like that. Make sure you wash it very well. Add hot water to wash it so that it will remove that slimy effect from it. Okay, make sure you wash it up to 4 or 5 times very well. But as for me, what I do when I want to use catfish, I use my alum. Okay, I use alum because it's very easy and very quick for me. All right, I use my alum like 2 times. I wash my catfish with alum 2 times in the water, then the remaining one I use hot water to remove the remaining slimy effect out from it. Okay, that's what I do when I'm using my catfish to cook, but it's left for you. The one that you know is best for you, you can also use it, but make sure you remove the slimy effect from it. Okay, because it's not good for us to consume like that. All right, so at this stage I've added everything that I want to add, and I stir and add and make sure I test to make sure the seasoning and the taste is okay by me. And if it's not, I added a little salt and little cubes of seasoning. That's what I added, as you can see very soon. All right, so after adding everything that you want, make sure you cover and allow to boil. The reason why I added this wooden stick on top of this pot is because so that when it's boiling it will not pour out. Okay, it will not throw and fill up my gas stove. All right, that is another secret that you must know. All right, so you can try it out and give me a feedback. And if you also want me to create a recipe on how to prepare banga soup, banga recipe, you can also drop it in the comment section. Just drop in the comment section banga recipe. Okay, and I'll gladly drop you a banga recipe that is healthy, that there's no added what you are scared of. I don't know if you understand. Okay, just pure and natural spices that you can use for your banga soup. Okay, so drop it in the comment section the best swallow that you want you can use for this soup. Is it fufu? Is it semo? Is it amala? Is it gari? But I tell you, the best thing that you can ever use for this soup is starch. Okay, starch is the best combination for this soup. guys, and I promise you, you'll be wanting more. Even your friends, your family, they'll be wanting more. Okay, so after that, I covered and allow it to boil, and as you can see in this soup, you can see that the quantity has reduced, okay, because it is thickened and it has dried up, okay, to my quantity and to the desired thickness that I want. Okay, you can also add achi to it to hasten the thickening. You can add achi to it. You can go to the market and get achi. It's not expensive, it's okay. All right, so guys, our banga